Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Shopify Plus step by step clearly. To register for Shopify Plus, start by visiting the Shopify Plus website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Fill out the required fields in the sign-up form. Enter your business email address. Create a strong password. Provide your store name. Select your business location from the drop-down menu. Click on the Next button to continue. You will be directed to a new form. Here, enter additional details about your business size and requirements. Once completed, click on Next again. You may now need to provide a phone number for verification. Check your email for a verification link from Shopify. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the Shopify Plus dashboard. You can now review and customize your store settings. Fill in your payment information to activate your account. Once all information is entered, click Submit. Your Shopify Plus account is now set up and ready for use. Follow the prompts to navigate through the admin panel. Explore the features available for your new Shopify Plus store. Begin adding products and setting up your online store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.